Welcome everyone. Let me present you my project number 2 for CS50 web programming with JavaScript and Python. Here's the index page where we can see all the available listings at the moment. We can see their names, description, and also current price. We can scroll through different pages, so we don't have to see all of the available listings on one page. Let's try to create a listing. To do that, we have to log in. And choose a category, which is furniture in our case. Now we're presented with the listing page. Because I'm the one who created it, I'm able also to close an auction and add it to the watch list. So let's add it to the watch list. So it's added. Now we can also remove it if we don't want it there anymore. Let's see what we have there at the moment. So we have several items. Let's go back to our active listings. So now let's see what we can do. Here's a listing of this painting, and for example, I want it, and I'm not the seller, and the price for now is $40. So I want to place a bid of 30 just to see what's going to happen. So we have to enter higher value. Let's do 50. Okay, so the bid was successful. And we can see that here's a comment section and somebody already left some comment here. So we have competitors. Let's go log out and close that bid, that auction, and see if we won. So here we are. Let's try to close it. Auction is closed. And now let's see if it's still in the active listings. Now it's gone because the auction is closed and it's no longer available to bid on. Let's log back in with our original name. So we go to watch list because it's still there. And yay, we won, which is amazing. Let's just leave a comment here. Nice. So we won, and therefore we left a comment, but we also can delete it because I'm the person who left it. And here I can do nothing with this one. And let's delete it. So comment deleted, it's gone. Nice. Let's go back to our active listings. Let's check categories. So what we got in books. Here's some books. Paintings. And let's check also our search. Here are everything that has word ring in it. And let's check our responsiveness of a design. We look at the page from an iPhone X. This is going to be the way we see it. And let's see from iPad. This is the way. And we already saw what it looks like on the laptop. And one more thing, when we go to our admin view, we see all of our models and we're able to modify them the way we want or delete them. So thank you very much for your attention. I hope you liked it.